We are in the streets.
Don't do it, Carlo.
Greetings. We are here in the Redwood Forest to do some street skating.
The Redwood Forest of San Lorenzo right now.
A lot of people don't know the Redwood Forest has a lot of spots.
Yeah, they are pretty endangered. That's why there's only 5 of them right now.
There's only 5 alive in captivity.
Yeah, the other ones are hiding, running around.
Wait, this is the intro. We're going street skating.
Oh, we're off. Okay, this is how we normally talk to each other, so it's hard.
This is street skating.
We don't have a Gabe or an Aaron to do an intro, so it's just we're kind of just thrown out there, you know. Like we're here, we're street skating. Give the people what they want, you know. They want street skating.
Yeah, we're here street skating.
Yes.
Enjoy the video.
What's up, Dan? We're over here on a beautiful UFO. Wait, I'm gonna land it. UFO skateboarding.
Hey, Dan.
Hey, Dan, we're out here on a beautiful sunny day out here in outer space on the UFO.
Just stop. You might hurt yourself on this. It's dumb.
The more he absorbs sun rays, the dumber the things that come.
What's up, Dan? We're over here. We're on a UFO today out here in sunny Philadelphia. Ow! Ow! I think my toe is broken because it keeps popping.
Oh, look at there's boobs.
Woo! What's up, Dan? We're over here in the beautiful Rocky Mountains. Gonna do some skateboarding. I'm not very good at rocks. Here we go. Oh! It was a sponge ground.
Going for gold, bud.
Double boob. All right, Dan, we're out here in the beautiful Rocky Mountains scenery right here. No, I seriously.
That counts.
What's up, Dan? We're out here in the beautiful Göbekli Tepe. Over here, the rock's ancient. They got built thousands of years ago. The ancient civilization built this for skating. Oh, one more. I got it. Hey, that's an ancient mural. All right, here we go. Wall ride, brother. All right, this one goes out to all my homies at Stonehenge. They really snapped with that one.
At least it doesn't hurt to fall.
Don't do it, Carlo. Just start.
I mean, it's possible.
That counts. I landed it. All 4 got a slap. Wow. Woo! All right, right here. Check it out. I got something special. This is the crashed UFO that got crashed. Oh!
Hey, brother, I need some other way. Thank you.
What's up, brother? We're out here at the beautiful Aztec skate ledge. This was built over 5,000 years ago.
I definitely want to get a line here. I'm trying to think of something cool though.
This is Machu Picchu right here.
I've had bad experiences with just getting locked up on 50, so always go for that first. Why would I even go for that?
Yeet.
Devastated.
We're out here in beautiful Kino de Toten.
Can't put my hands down.
That was my first one of the day. Jeez.
That shouldn't stick on a backsmith.
Damn it.
You think?
Damn it.
Why am I going Mach 45?
Such a silly Nigel.
Ugh. You can like just hear when it when you're gonna get stuck. That sounded terrible. And the shadows here are terrible.
So you're saying we should go somewhere else?
Yeah. Yeah. I got in the crook. God, that feels so cool. Yeah, we'll just do a test run and then I'll say how I feel. That was beautiful.
I know. Oh my God. Oh my God. Took way too long, but I got it. I
Nigel
guess.
Street Persistence, episode 1.
Off to the next spot.
Carlos wants to hit that 3 block. He's
Oh.
dying.
He's gonna rattle those tricks off, so I'm not worried.
The last time we were here, I saw this and I was like, dude, I want to skate this so bad.
We gonna skate it right now. That's what's happening.
They were like, oh, the cracks are gonna stop you. I was like, dude, I have a street sign. Street skating right here. And
You
it's
keep
fine.
bringing up this street sign.
I love the street sign.
You are
dude.
so proud of this street
I
sign.
love the street sign.
And everybody knows you're a thief.
No, actually, it came with my car.
Thievery.
It literally came with the car.
Thievery. Klepto Carlos. That's your new name. Hey, son. Klepto Carlos over here stealing signs. You better watch out. Ooh, I'm about to film this so fire, my guy. Oh, you goofy, huh, cuz? All right, this gonna be difficult. It's my left turn. I'm not good at my left turn. So hold on. Let me practice it real quick. I'm gonna hit that. Bam, bam. Oh, whoop, boy. I'm a filming god.
There we go. Okay.
What you gotta say for the peoples?
Hi.
That's good. How are you on this fine Friday afternoon?
It's hot.
It is hot. Very hot. You're in a sweater, my guy.
Yeah, I know.
That was cute. That boy raw.
I pop shove it for my boy Nigel right here.
You better make that thing look stanky. I'm gonna get up all in your face right here. I'm all up in your grill on this one. Boy, you know how raw that look, guys?
First try.
I like that one. Boy! You saucy with it, cuz.
4.
I gotta get commentary and such and such. Hold on, let me get some commentary.
How old is Carlos?
I kneeled and gummed.
How old is Carlos?
29.
He's almost 30, flirty, and thriving.
Go faster. Come on, Los. If I don't get it in 3 tries, I'm gonna do one more trick and I'm done.
Gang, gang. Bruh, can you get this? Cause these angles I'm getting right now, banging. I'm telling you, these angles are banging. The people done forgot I used to film street clips with my boys back in the day. How in the what in the world?
All right, one more trick.
First try? Okay.
This is my last trick.
Oh my gosh. It's a wrap. Next spot.
No, it's a nap.
It's a Crunch Wrap Supreme.
I think we're gonna go on to the next
you know
spot.
what?
So we're just gonna drive. Good old fashioned trying to find a street spot.
We go where the demons take us.
It's called being a maverick.
You mean a navigation?
A tom-tom.
Magellan.
As long as I'm not Goose.
As long as I'm not Taco Bell.
So all you gotta do is just drive until you find what you're looking for.
You ever seen that movie Drive? It's just like that movie because you drive.
You don't know what you're looking for till you find it. And how are you gonna find something that you're not looking for if you're not looking?
You can only find what you're not looking for if you're not looking for it. And then you'll find it. I'll act normal now.
So we're here at a school. I haven't been here for many moons, so hopefully the ledge that I used to skate is still here.
We are in the streets. We're actually at a school.
This is actually San Lorenzo.
We're gonna go see if we can find stuff to skate.
Hey, look, they got washing machines. I mean, ovens.
It's a line spot. Yeah.
This is, yeah, oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Carlos, I've never heard him so happy.
Oh my God. Yes. Yes, thank you. That's awesome. That's what I love about street skating on these days. There's nobody here right now, so we can do whatever we want.
Oh, these are sick.
See? I remember things after a while.
Here,
This is Carlos heaven.
I'm telling you, schoolyards is low-key a skate park. I don't care what people say.
This is the first time I've ever been in like an American school like this.
We got some hippie spots. Look at this again. Oh my God!
I've always wanted to come here. I drive past it all the time like,
Yeah, I just told Nigel and Dan that they drive past the school every single day.
Somebody's dunking hard on this one. It's bang.
Oh my. This place has like, I've seen already 6 spots. Gabe, you're missing out, man. I hope you're having a good time at
Gabe,
Disneyland.
you're not missing out, man. You're in Disneyland. Don't listen to this, man. You having a blast over there. I wish I was in Disneyland. I want to be on roller coasters going, woo! Woo!
I'd rather be out skateboarding. So this is my Disneyland. So yes, Gabe, you are missing out.
We're just gonna ignore the fact that they have a gazebo.
I just feel bad for the next person that sits down on this. Oh, now I'm scared. Oh my God.
We need a gazebo at the Braille house.
The Wax Whisperer.
I went into the tree.
I'm probably gonna die on this.
Oh,
So I'm trying to go skate big stairs and handrails.
it's a bit sticky.
Oh! I slipped right off the wax.
Oh,
Heel! Alright, next spot.
next area. How do you?
I'm going to sleep now. Thanks for watching. Ouch.
Last trick. Dang.
What happened?
The ball came flying at me like a helicopter.
Why?
Oh, hey.
Is that cool?
I gotta go. Bye, guys.
I do want to try the rail, at least try it. We looked at it, you gotta try it. Pretty successful day, right? You think?
Destroyed the first spot.
We did. Well, I was excited to skate this, but Carlos left with the broom. So,
Man, if you go fast enough.
imagine what a blunt slide would. That's like some Skater XL blunt slides. wheels are just dragging across the wall.
Oh.
Can we just like push the wall in a little bit?
Oh, I got that.
A lot of the times in street skating, you're like, man, this is such a cool spot. And then you're like, what is this even for? You know, like, I guess it could be a bike rack.
What was that? That wasn't a grip.
I got the wheelies. All right, one more. Whew, it's a tough one.
There it is.
It's hard not to smash your face into the wall. Here, hang on, let me yeet this one time. It's hard because you have to lock in like that. I scraped my butt on the wall.
Give it one more for the slow-mo.
I think that's easier. Boom. You hit your butt on the wall and just kickflip wheelie shove. If I would have landed that, I would have walked home. Left my car here. Give me 5 more. I would have counted it.
You would stop at the light. Ow.
Yeah, maybe we have to come back. You know what? This is for my Skitter XL fans out there. That's right, brothers. So Dan, what do you think of today so far?
I think it was nice.
Yeah, this is splendid.
Yeah.
I like this. You know, a long time ago, maybe like 3 years, I came here, right? I only knew about that ledge and these. Didn't touch these at all because, you know, I was scared. But now it's like, I'm a man, I can do this. And here I am trying to do this for the fans, you know, and the millions of people watching all over the world.
This video will get millions of views.
Millions of views, yes. If this video gets 200,000 likes, I'll back 180 the Braille drop. Shake on it. We're gonna come back for that. Yeah, we're gonna bring Gabe. We're gonna get back to that trick there. Well, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. There's videos to my left, your right, and like, comment, subscribe. My best smile that I have.